So part of getting ready for the upcoming boat season is making sure topside everything's in order. That includes my boat cushions. So besides having to clean them, I also need to replace the snaps, which are these guys here on these cushion here, and most of them are intact. This cushion here, there's not really any issues. But this particular cushion here, my right side cushion, you can see here that the snap is broken off. And that happens when you pull your cushion too fast and you don't like have a firm grip, and it creates this tension which snaps this piece off. So they're currently on the boat still, and I'll have to remove them. But in the meantime, since my cushions are home, I just need to take these old snaps out and replace them with new ones. And it's a really easy thing to do. Again, my boat's a Carolina skiff. Actually, when I contacted them about replacing these snaps here, they had referred me to Amazon and provided me with the Snap Fastener tool that I would use. So this here, I bought this off of Amazon. Comes with this Snap Fastener tool here, along with some hardware and some instructions. And depending on the type of cushions that you're trying to create fasteners for, it gives you several options to work with. Die sets that you would use to create your holes. Again, it's really easy to do. If your cushions do not have, like as you can see here, my cushions has already been punctured. Again, the snap is just missing. But if you didn't have that, and say you're just creating a fresh, you want to puncture a new hole, you would use this piece here, and all you have to do is place it in the tool as such, clamp it down, and then you would just make sure it's parallel, and you just adjust. You would just adjust the vise on the tool so that you have enough pressure when applied to puncture your material that you're using. Again, I don't need to use this piece here. The only piece that I need to use for what I have to accomplish is this die here. Again, I'm going to place it in here, and it's magnetic. And as you see, there's a little gap. There's a little gap here, so I just need to adjust this here so that when I do close the, there we go. All right. So I'm just going to take this out. And then I'm just going to find my right piece that I need, which is going to be, again, depending what type of snap fastener you're putting in place, but this is what I need. And then I need the other side that will be on the inside of the snap. But all you need to do is just place it in here. Well, first let me get it in the hole. So again, you want to make sure that it comes through, as you can see there. And then make sure that piece sits over it. And then again, once you have your snaps in place, just close it down. The key is just making sure that it's there, and then just press firmly. And now the snap's in. I'll do another one here. So again, taking this old one out, just that salt just does a number on it. I don't leave my cushions on the boat, but I just gotta make sure I rinse it off after use. Take another piece here. Again, all I'm gonna do is make sure I go directly through that hole that's already made from the old snap. Make sure it's coming through. And then I'm gonna just now get this, make sure my snap's where it needs to be, and then press down. Boom. It's that easy. This is, I guess, happed in, but there's a number of different options. What I'll do is I'll put a link to Amazon where I got mine from, and if you find yourself in a pinch and you need to do your own cushions, rather than having someone else do it, you can do it yourself. If your cushions require one of these standard snaps that comes within the kit. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and do me a favor, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and hopefully look forward to seeing you out in the water. Peace.